Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. In today's video, I'm actually going to be pulling some old film. So a couple years ago when I first started my channel, I was in a collab called What's in My Fridge or something like that. And it was basically showing the foods that we keep in our fridge. Well, in that video, I got questions about like how I organize my fridge. And so I decided that I was going to pull that film and just kind of do a remake of it. This time, I'm not going to really show you like what's in my fridge, but it's going to be more about what I use as far as like the bins. So I use basically Dollar Tree bins in my fridge, in my drawers, and that's pretty much how I organize it. There's some people who are very meticulous with where things go. I am not like that, but I do like it to be a little bit organized, so I like to use the bins. So that's all this video is going to be about. So I am going to just get right on with the video and show you how I organize my fridge with these Dollar Tree bins. All right, before I show you my fridge, I'm going to stick this clip in because I want to show you how I use some of the Dollar Tree bins. So these are the bins that I get, and these you'll see I have in my fridge as well. And these are great just for any type of organization. So I keep these in my silverware drawer. These are what I put my little, I use these little cups for meal prep for different things, whether it's syrup for a pancake bake or whatever. Oh, I need to fix that drawer. So I have a couple of those back there, and then back here I have some different size ones. So you can see, and I keep just more containers. I have my grandson's old baby spoons, and then some measuring spoons, and then down here I have the great big trays. This is where I can kind of keep all my miscellaneous junk utensils. So I have the big trays there, and then I have a couple medium-sized trays here. That it just helps to keep it a little bit organized, because this, without these trays, all this stuff is just thrown in here. So I just wanted to stick this clip in here before I show you what's in my fridge. So now I'll go back to the video and show you my fridge. As you can see, I have just a regular side-by-side fridge, and I have all these little baskets that I bought from the Dollar Tree. I use them in all my drawers. I also have a soda holder that holds soda. So the way that the basket sits in there, you can kind of pull it out like it's a drawer. I like to keep my yogurts, my puddings, things like that in there, because if I just put them in the fridge by themselves, they always end up just all over the place. So it just kind of keeps them a little bit more organized. But like I said, you can pull them out like they're actual drawers. So in my cheese drawer, I have just the little baskets, and like I said, Dollar Tree, dollar baskets. I keep all my cheese on one side. I take the sliced cheese out of the packet and I just line that in there. I keep all my Laughing Cow cheese wedges in there, try and take them out of the actual container that they come in. And then of course my sandwich meat is back there. And then in my vegetable drawer, again, I have a tray in here that I'll keep like loose things like the carrots, cucumbers. As you can see, I've got peppers in there. And then to the side, I keep bagged things and lettuce. And then down in the bottom, I don't have any drawers in there. I just have some fruit, which is just in bowls. But sometimes I will put containers down in there for some of the fruit. I do have some grapes that I keep on the top shelf, just because a lot of times we kind of open the fridge and just grab some grapes like that. Nothing really goes on each shelf per se. I just kind of put things wherever. So I have my eggs. I have egg containers that I keep all my eggs in, and those I bought from the Dollar Tree as well. Both of them come with lids, but I just keep the top one open so that I can put more eggs in it than just the 12. And then the holder for the soda, or as some people call it, pop. I don't even remember where I got that from. I'll check on Amazon, and if they have one, I'll link it down below. But I want to say that I picked that up at like Walmart or something. I'm not really sure, but that is a nice way to just, keep the sodas organized in your fridge. And then the stuff in the door, there's really no organization that I have to that. I just kind of put all that stuff wherever. I just have kind of my staples in there, like my Ready Whip, my spray butter, all that type of stuff. I just keep those in there. Now, one thing a lot of people ask me is, how do you fit all your food when you meal prep? I never have a problem. I'm always able to fit all my meal prep containers in there. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. So as you can see, I just kind of have to rearrange. I have my dinner kits on this shelf here, and then down here I have all my lunch kits and my breakfast. I just kind of have to just do the best I can to fit them all in. That is what my fridge looks like before and after meal prep. So I hope that gave you a little bit of some ideas. So I hope you all liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I'm Kristi, and I'm Planning Us Healthy.
You're perfect as you are.